Okay, so this is where I left off because I messed up on my last one. So yeah, I'm teaching you how to look good on MSP if you're a noob, and we all have that issue. So first, pick whatever shirt you like. I usually use this one because you can make it look cool. So I like wearing black a lot. So yeah. So I just choose black, and then I'm not trying to be racist, so stop. So just don't. Yeah. Okay. You can pick out that because there's never the good pants. Like, okay, we're just gonna go with that because it's cute to me. But you could do this hair. It's not even that bad looking. Only if you make it look bad looking and your face is like, ew, Tiffany. I am not trying to start a comedian channel, so yeah. I like that. We can make these. Oh, I almost had to burp, and I really didn't want to because I don't want to embarrass myself on camera, and my burps are like rats on the streets. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, rats live on the streets. Yeah, sometimes, I don't know. I just didn't find that out. I kind of knew that for a long time. But. Okay. Yeah, that's done. And now the shoes. You never want to go too extra with the shoes, so we could just go with the... Sorry. Okay. That was my mother. I had to re-record that because that happened. So we're just gonna pick equals. It's maybe nobody has that one. It's Ren. Okay, that one's good. And then we're just gonna pick out a password. And I'm not gonna put my real birthday. Y'all don't need to know my real birthday. Dang, don't know anything. So we're just gonna put June. Okay, so we're just... Don't worry about flipping Pixie Star because she sucks. She sucks. Hold on. I'm gonna close my door. Okay. There. Now we're just gonna ignore this ratty Pixie Star and she's all cool with her little fans. Yeah, we're gonna ignore that because she does not arrive in a limo. So I know I look awesome. Now we're just gonna get the star coins and then we're gonna skip. Just let that load in. And then we skip. I know it shows 400 right here, but it normally goes down, so you might want to use it before everything gets like that. Yeah. Okay, just collect the presents, and yeah, she annoys me a lot. So much. Pixie sticks. So we're just gonna collect the presents, so we can level up and get stuff. Okay. Oh my! Okay. So basically, my ears just got harassed for my headphones because they wanted to ring when I leveled up. I'm wearing headphones. I have to keep one on because one of them... See how it went down? Yeah. But it went down, so on this side that my microphone is on. Yeah. That's sense. just look to me, please. I don't know. My channel is not as big as I thought it would get. And yeah, I just really just want to get more subs. So when we hit I don't know amount of subs that I'll just I'll get. I keep on saying because I have no idea what I'm saying. Okay, just to make this process quick, because I only have 15 minutes that I can do a video every time. So we can do a part 2. Yeah, I'm watching TV, so yeah, we're just gonna go look up Dolan Twins. Okay, so I don't care, but we're just gonna like it. And I loved it. Okay, so okay, that was annoying. I heard nothing, so I have no idea what happened in that video. Okay, so yeah. That's Emma Chamberlain. Okay, so now it's gonna tell you go play dress up. Yeah, here's information that you really need if you're a noob watching my flipping. Okay, whatever. Just go and dress up. And nobody really gives you a present, so just click the X and you get circles really fast, and you don't have to wait to hold around and stuff. You probably knew that, but I'm just stupid and I want to tell you. Okay, so now choose my avatar character, and then go to my profile. I'm recording a video. Okay, so basically, I'm just gonna add my friend because I'm nice. Hee. I don't think he's ever gonna watch it, so basically, I like him. Yeah, but he has a couple. Oh my god, the T has spelled. I'm recording a video. Beautiful. See? Triggered. I don't think he's online anymore. But yeah. So we're just gonna keep on going with the day. I only have a few more minutes, so just do this. That is all I'm gonna do for now, and then we're gonna just buy some stuff. I'll give this account away to anybody in the comments, Well, I can't really give you anything. Like, you're just gonna have to keep the name, because I don't care. You're just gonna have to. Okay, so those are beautiful eyes. The lips are killing me though, so like, she has no eyes. Okay, MSP, you're killing me. There used to be lips on sale that you could just get. Just get these. You can do whatever you want on this account, so. We're just gonna buy those lips. I'm dead. Okay, I really am dead. I only have 95 coins. Yeah, y'all just gonna have to get VIP on this account because I said so. I wish I had diamonds, dude. Then yeah, that's just how you're gonna look for now because I said so. Okay, I only have a few minutes left in this recording. So what do I have in here? Everything's basic, so you're just gonna have to do some stuff here. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do for today. If you want this account, comment down below. If you want it, because I hate it. You're just gonna have to keep him on here because he's special. He's special! Okay. I'm giving this account away. Oh my god. Oh my. Swipe. Okay, so, yeah, comment down below if you want it. Bye. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.